Okay, how do we do a linear regression? So using the information in this um, in this data, we're going to use our calculator to determine how we get a linear regression. So again, we're going to hit the word stat, and now we're going to go over to calculate because we still have our information in our lists. And since we were told that we wanted to do a linear regression, we're going to go down to number 4. Now, if you'll notice that choice 4 and choice 8 are similar, they're both called linear regressions. We tend to go with choice 4 because you guys are used to the form y equals mx plus b, where you've got the coefficient and x first, followed by the constant. So we're just going to keep things as they usually are. So we're going to select choice 4. So here, our first should be the year since 2006. Our Y list should be new cases. However, we don't need a frequency list, so we're going to clear that. And now we're going to calculate. You could store your regression equation. It's not necessary, but you could do so. So if you only see the words lin reg, what you'll have to do is you'll have to hit second 1 to get L1, comma, L2. And that will also calculate your linear regression. So now we go down to calculate, and we hit enter, and look at that. This would be our linear regression. And it's negative 4.25142857 approximately. And we also have our B. Notice that this R here, that means that this is our correlation coefficient. Notice how it's negative 0.9775. That means that it's a strong negative correlation, meaning that the slope is going downward. Now, if you wanted to see what this would look like as a graph, I'm going to show you guys. Again, this next part, it's not necessary. I'm just showing you what this would look like. If you're ever curious, you could actually just type it in. You know what? I think I'm going to type it in. I think I'll just type it into our Y1 instead of going about it the other way. So we were asked to round all coefficients to the nearest tenth. So let me see. I'm just going to quit out of here because I did not write it down what our regression was. So when we do this, let's see, sometimes, here we go. Okay, so I'm going to type this equation into our calculator. I'm going to round everything to the nearest tenth. So that's going to be negative 42.51. And, oh wait, I put minus. Let me delete that. Okay, 42.5 plus, oh, excuse me, x. No. Sorry, guys. Negative 42.5 x. Oh, I keep doing this. Sorry, I'm trying to type on my keyboard, and it's just not having the same effect as me punching it into the calculator itself. Plus 789.6. Okay, so now I want to compare what that would look like with our scatter plot. So I'm going to hit zoom again. I'm going to hit zoom stat, and this would be our regression equation, our linear regression equation.